In question 6, we have to solve this given equation. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 times x minus 1, 3 times x minus 1 plus 7. So as the first step to solving this equation, let's take this term 3 times x minus 1 and let's expand this product. So we get 8x plus 4 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have 3 times x minus 1, which we can expand as 3x minus 3, because 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So we get 3x minus 3 and then the plus 7 term which was already there. Now we can combine this minus 3 and plus 7 terms into plus 4. So we will get 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4. Now what we can do is we can take this plus 4 term and transpose it to the right hand side. So we will get 8x on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have 3x plus 4, and then the term from the LHS plus 4, when transposed to the RHS, it will become minus 4. So these two terms will cancel out. We could have done it directly in this step just by saying, okay, we have a plus 4 here and we have a plus 4 here, so let's just cancel them out on both sides. So what we will get is 8x is equal to 3x, because the constant terms cancel out. Now let's take this 3x term and transpose it to the left hand side. That will give us 8x, and the transposed term will be minus 3x, so 8x minus 3x, and on the right hand side we will have 0, so this will give us 5x is equal to 0. And now the last step is to just divide both sides of the equation by 5. So we get x is equal to 0 divided by 5, and any number divided 0 divided by any number, non-zero number, is 0, so we will get x is equal to 0. So the solution that we obtain is x is equal to 0, and now it's time to check whether this solution works or not. So to do that, we will substitute x equal to 0 into the original equation. So the original equation on the LHS is 8x plus 4, so 8 times 0 plus 4, and on the right hand side we have 3 times x minus 1, so 3 times 0 minus 1 plus 7. And now let's see whether the two sides are equal or not. So 8 into 0 is 0, and then we have plus 4, and we have 3 times minus 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, so 3 times minus 1 plus 7. So this gives us 4 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have minus 3 plus 7, and now we see that on both sides we obtain 4 and 4. So the solution checks out. X is equal to 0 is the correct solution of this equation, and that completes question number 6.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.